Hey, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Again, this is the Tinker and Cook, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I cook the crowd favorite Pinoy dish, which is the pork sisig, but without the sizzling plate. I'm not gonna cook it here. If you see in my background, it's not a kitchen, that's just a sink with a microwave. So, but I have a previous video making the pork sisig in an oven, so I'm gonna share it with you. Now I know what you're thinking, pork sisig without a sizzling plate. Yeah, is that possible? Well, yeah. Um, I love to think outside of the box and explore new cooking techniques. And for me, it's all about bringing out the flavors and making cooking accessible and fun for everyone. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel because this is all about, trying out things, tinkering my way into exploring foods and beyond. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey with me, let's dive right in and discover how to make the most amazing pork sisig you've ever tasted. So, here's the video, guys.
Okay, first things first, you'll be needing the pig skin. You can use usually we use the pig's face skin, but any pig skin it will do. So yeah, you'll be needing that. And after that, you're gonna boil the skin in water with soy sauce, vinegar, pepper, bay leaves. So you're just gonna make sure that you're gonna soften the skin a little bit because it's gonna give a crispier output or crispier sisig later on. So yeah, you're just gonna boil it to incorporate all the flavors in the skin. Yeah, just make sure that your soy sauce, your vinegar, and your bay leaves is enough. So it's just like you're pre-prepping and infusing the flavors in the skin while you're softening the skin also. And after that, you're gonna transfer your skin in a pan with, I use here a baking sheet, and just arrange it properly. Usually I put the skin side up, and after that you're gonna broil it inside the oven. So usually it's 4 to 5 broiling, and make sure you're just gonna check it from time to time for it not to burn. Yeah, so just like this, look at that. Yeah, you can see it's crispy. And then after that, you're just gonna cut it in small pieces like this. Yeah, because usually sisig is shaped like this. So after that, you're just gonna prepare some of the other ingredients that you have. So you put in a pan the meat, and then you're gonna put your onion here. I prefer a red onion, but I don't have, so white onion is okay. Then you're gonna put your chili, depending on how spicy you want it. But I think this is okay. Then after that, you're just gonna mix it on a medium flame, and after that, you're gonna put your Maggi liquid seasoning with lemon. Again, I'm gonna repeat it. You're gonna put your Maggi seasoning with lemon. Then after that, you're just gonna incorporate it in a pan on a medium flame. Try to incorporate more, just like this. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, while you're making sure that everything is incorporated and your onion is a little bit cooked already, you're just gonna transfer it again to a pan, baking pan like this. Distribute it, distribute it in the pan, and after that you're gonna broil it again inside the oven for another 4 to 5 minutes, depending. So you're just gonna check it from time to time, okay, for it not to burn. So look at that. You have the crispy effect of the pork sisig. So that's how you do it, guys.